Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Then tap on App Notifications at the top. Select All and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Then click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. If you wish to, you can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!